people accountable for their behavior.
But people can't hold themselves. People can't hold themselves.
A book is not a person.
But the book was written by people.
Accountable.
But the book was
Bible is not the one doing the action. People need to be held accountable for their action.
You're right.
Can I finish? No, listen, this is where I take off my wig.
Ni bali msusu ba comment politiciens auto ba tu msusu ba moi dans la relation pour ça la c'est moi c'est ma bé aura hivi maman to balana ki pour les meilleurs pour les pires ndena betio boy ils ont moi pire mais bête goya yo ça non pour la boule nini God. So people use by interpreter by blow na babo to the own advantage.
Maya's comment on religion being one of the sources of people using it to commit domestic violence is absurd to me. It is our responsibility to question when in history things are not making sense, especially for us in a society.
So I don't think it's fair to blame the Bible or culture solely on the acts that a person will choose to do themselves because they chose to do that. That's their choice. I agree with the point Maya was trying to make in terms of people do use religion and tradition to contribute to their bad behavior, and that includes domestic violence. I often find that personally for me, it's that question with did God make men or did men make God?
Hello guys, welcome to Solo Libyan Real Talk. I'm your host Christian Bless and we have another show for you today. Before I start, I would just like to say hello to my panelists. I'm going to start on my right hand side. We have Maya. Maya, how are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Et nous avons aussi notre frère Francos Chimpuki. Comment ça va? Ça va. Nous avons aussi la belle Diamond. Comment ça va? Diamond, tu connais, oui, que na Facebook, na Instagram, vous avez un like et belé comme ça. Dis-moi un peu, comment est-ce que ça sent lorsque les gens t'aiment comme ça? C'est ça la canne.
Merci.
Merci. We also have the amazing, donc tango alobaka na sagesse, the amazing Trisha. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Nous avons aussi les général Nabiso, yes qui au Meki, donc ma tata, Trésor Image. How are you? Ça va. And we've got the amazing, talented Gladys. Comment ça va?
Fine, thank you.
Et nous avons aussi encore once again Maman Nabiso, Maman Nina. Comment ça va? Kitoko na elenge. Now guys, soki oza mobali et que oza na mama, oza na mwasi, oza na sœur na ndako et que olingi ke bango bazala kitoko lokola ba sœur na biso awa. I want to promote Marvelous Hair. Somba Marvelous Hair. Tala nenge Gladys azali, tala nenge ndeko na biso azali, donc kitoko, donc kabelo. Hein? Kabelo. Donc voilà, the link is on the description. Make your purchase and so forth. Right. Today, we're going to talk about a subject that is very touchy. Parce que ces derniers temps, on a vu beaucoup d'informations de certaines personnes, ils sont des victimes de qu'est-ce qu'on appelle en anglais domestic abuse. Domestic abuse is affecté biso mingi na communauté. Domestic violence. To moni que ezana ba jeune belé ba tomboki ba lobby que pourquoi est-ce que tango c'est dans le sujet de domestic violence ba maman ba aunties ba yebsaka ba jeune que non moi na kanga mutema. Il faut pas que ceux qui m'ont parlé à beti yo koloba lo côté yo moko kanga mutema. Tout ça un problème épidémique parce que ba jeune bazo reconnaître que non nandaku maman papa azopeta maman. Tout comprendre que ils ont marché les sous-soutés. So I want to speak in English. We realize that there's a strong problem when it comes to domestic violence. And now it's causing disruptions in the home. It's causing trauma in young children's life because of what they've experienced at home, because of what they have seen at home. It's now affecting their relationships. There are even women now, because of the domestic violence they're experiencing, it's having a negative impact to the way they are raising their children. So it's a subject that is a taboo. It's a subject that's not really spoken in the community. But we here at Selula Bien have taken the decision to say that silence will not be our portion anymore. We have decided to speak out on this and condemn it 100%. Now, before going any further, I'm going to pass it over to Trish, who's going to explain to us, based a little bit on some studies that we've done, what is domestic violence and how it's affecting people's lives.
I'm going to start off by just listing the types of domestic violence abuse there is. It's in no particular order. One is psychological. This can come in a form of humiliation and embarrassment, control what they can and cannot do, and social isolation. Two is physical violence, is causing harm and injury to the victim, and it can result in disabling or even killing. The third is financial. This one is not common. It's not common in terms of how much is spoken about, and it's the most difficult to recognize. This is the victim being denied access to money or other financial dealings, and sometimes being denied the right to work. Fourth one is emotional, causing someone to feel lack of respect or self-worth, constant insults and criticism and humiliation, bad-mouthing them. And the last one is sexual abuse. This one is physically, sexually assaulting or raping a victim. Also includes degrading or humiliating acts such as exposing the victim's bodies to others, secretly filming someone in a sexual act or engagement, and forcing sex without protection.
And another study that we saw as well, that there is 1 in 4 women who are victims of domestic violence. And I've spoken to Mama previously, and she said that she was also a victim of domestic violence herself. Mama, do you want to elaborate on that, just so that the other people can also understand, what kind of experiences that you've had personally?
My experience for that situation. Experience na domestic violence is not good if for no one. Omoni soki ozo vandi na mutu faut koyeba ko respecter mutu wana. Obie so problème ezali faut dialogue. Mais bato mususu ba bongo ti akopesa kutu atante oloba mbala moko abandi ko beta yo abandi ko finga yo is normal eza normal te ozo traumatiser déjà mutu wana moral physiquement ozo traumatiser ye pe koto ya kolinga susu ba mutu mususu ba makambo zo vivre na mobala ngo omona penza ke non en tout cas na profiter mutu moko te obie ba jeune fille nanga bazui mutu ba koya na situation wana eza mabi makasi et puis soki omoni likambo loba ko boma te nga soki ba betinga na loba te soki ba sali boy na loba te ina koma ki na puwe na sai na zema siti moi ba betanga na bota mwana oui moi pona ni oloka muke dialogue ezalaki te dialogue ezalaki te siko elle ba voisin ba obenga police omaka ba famille elle ba oyoka mwasi mabe abengeli mobali police pona nini soki yete okombia wana mboko te non eza big mistake obengisi mutu auta musika na Afrique oya ko maltraiter awa te non eza wrong.
Maman, pourquoi est-ce que vous avez une idée wana koloba ilo côté? Et vous taki watu?
Siko nazalaki na idée te kwa nini? Elle mo pe ba para ba tiaka ba tubana na erreur. Bomba mobali na yo. Libala eza na secret. Et puis ba para erreur mosusu basalaka balobaka secret ya libala wana te. Okoya ko yeba secret ya libala wana soko koti wana. Libala eza na secret. Libala eza le lokola na expliquer yo weda. Le lobo za bien.
Donc, and how many years did you experience domestic violence for?
Pendant 30 ans. Okoza là de kobimate, oza là de ba camarade te, eza bad. Elle moko so problème ezali eza good. O sololi na mutu o défoulé ba pesi yo conseil. Soki mutongo komi koloba na yo déjà, koloba te, kobimate, azo privé na bato. Mama boya mobali wana za mobali mabe boya mobali wana.
But not many think this way.
Mususu omwaka aye alingi abima yebisa madame nazobima me nakoya retard ou bien nakozonga te akolukilo problème atikali kopeta yo akei oluka nini this is not the life.
Alors on y est pensé qu'il y a au courage. Alors on y est pensé qu'il y a au courage, il y a qu'au téléma pe obima parce que bah te belé sur la bonne place là bazar la excuse pourquoi bazotika. Ngala lingi oloba po ba me comprendre place ni ozaki courage pe makasa obima na relation.
Na zwaki courage moni motema lembaka. Yango balobaka vanda na mutu
parce que 30 c'est belé maman.
Ye vanda na mutu oyo asanzaka ke mutu amelaka.
100%. Alors ça veut dire quoi là bébé? Mutu asanzaka comparé à mutu amelaka, ça veut dire quoi?
Moi mutu asanzaka il mean talk.
Ah ok.
Okay.
Mais est-ce que le comment créer salamaki que c'est qu'en ces moments-là au lobby que non assez c'est assez maintenant coquille
yes motemelembaka et comment yes et comment dans le moment
et ça là qui na 30 ans après 30 ans motema c'est que le lobby que
enough
maman nakotuna eloko moko esalamaki pona ozwa décision wana parce que nazokanisa na 30 ans nyonso pasaki bamwana by the way, I'm very sorry that happened to you. Mais na moment nyonso wana esalamaki j'espère ozalaki na ba temps bandoko kanisa ke na lembi. This is too much. Mais loko nini loko moko te esalamaki o décida ki penza
ki considérer ma famille ou de considérer ma campagne nyonso bino ezanga imoko na soutien.
Loko moko na oyebiso moni soki muninga na yo azo expliquer situation na yo koseka te kotonga te pa toyebaka lelo toyebi alobi te eloko penza nazwaki décision anabi is enough for me mutu apekisanga te bato bazofinga oza zoba oza yuma mais natalaki nanu erreur nga moko mpe nasalaki nazotala bana epi eza big mistake bana bagardaka relation te
maman est-ce que tu as sa caméra
bana bagardaka relation te ba etolinganaki nga na yo tozalaki na bana te bana wana eza fruit ya bolingo na biso kopesa raison te bana wana eza big mistake susu batiaka bana na baerreur.
My thoughts on Mama Nina's 30 years of abuse is just wow. I don't know. I'm come from a complete different time and I'm so outspoken. I love myself a lot. Not that she doesn't love herself, but it's just to bear it for 30 years is too much. Maybe I could put up with it for, I just can't. I wouldn't even be able to put up with it. So she's a strong woman, is all I can say. She's a very, very strong woman.
Mama, nasepele ndenge ozi courage kuloba boelelo. Unfortunately, but msus bazaki around po basola me bazawate. Mama mokazakawa aba upesa conseil na lobike. Omoni bino bana problème ezaki soki na mona ki émission ya mwana aleka ki Peniel. Yeah. Abaki mwana soki zaki ngana beta Peniel. Parce que pourquoi ake kosala makambo wana kubimisa mobali na ye oye pe azate nazopesa faute te nazolinga napesa différence entre mama o azoloba boye na mama pazoloba suppose naza show ye pa she went through pe ba problème na ye domestic na vie na ye mais toza la place moko toza na tu advice o ezoyela biso tikala na mariage boye kotikala nango te siko biso ba jeune toza na besoin tozwa décision po toyeba ni na kusala mutu amita kupona ndenge na ye netalingi neti nga na kozanga ndenge nanga dama na kuza ye tresha kuza ye na conseil obino bozo pesa biso mais loko nini na ngina be loko nini za kopesa ke mama mususu o aleka pe na makambo wana conseil na ye ekozala kaka aipsa mwana na atikala na ba 30 ans kaka wana eti olobi yango nini yango ke kopesa pona nini bozo epsa biso totikala na makambo wana
eloko mususu biso basi soki tolinga na ndenge solo siko oyo olingi mutu wana yo mutu wana alingi yo te eza hard yango omonaka soki omoni ke ezo simba te sebe kututika mona bantu sala vi na yo pe otikali na vi na yo etraumatizaka bana makasi et traumatisera bana makasi eza bien te yango nga jamais na ko accepter yango ou bien jeune fille nga sali boye akoya na même situation nga na koya ki na kolinga ngote
Many moms in the
na kolinga
community
ngote nga na te ya bana
pourquoi est-ce que maman wana na ba maman ebele azaka kayema ngote ba
maman ebele
bakango siko pourquoi
ba maman ebele azo souffrir alingi koloba te alingi kaka lo mobali nanga za bien mobali nanga bo eza wrong yango mona ka basi mususu bazo kufa ka bazo sala ba stroke
Hypocrisy.
Je pense que eza des kambuya peer pressure, eza des kambuya social pressure parce que tato wana libala to pesa importance mon kati ya communauté ou peut-être na koloba oui libala eza fondamental libala edaka bato ba avancer na vie mais titre wana lelo bato vraiment préféra souffrir na ye afandi azo souffrir po azalaka na titre wana akobima libanda ya mpango na ye azoyebisa bato kaza bien mais ye moko yebika mpe azowuta makambo ozoleka kuna eza babisa nini eza ka physique to mona même so eza nde babai financial moni mwasi akomo misombela biloko ye mo azokosa bato mobali motu asombeli mpona nyonso wana c'est ça mpona nyonso wana bakolakisa bato ke aza na relation mo ya happy mais personne aza abuse omoni nga naloba toujours na bato na ba omoni so komi na relation oza na relation entre mwasi na mobali soki kikoswana na bino komi na niveau ya kosimbana na nzoto bokabwana eza bien te parce que na même na bano baza na kati bazala lisusu na health environment te donc bana bakola na place moko eza toxique mpona bango bakola ozomona bana surtout parents batikalaka baza so happy na kati ya relation bazotikalaka mpona bana nalobaka eza bien te pourquoi parce que oza ebo ya connaître bana na love on a vraiment fallait base idéal baza nango te pourquoi bino nyonso bozovivre na hypocrisie mon papa azobima azotrompe mama pele mosusu oyeba te mpe azobima awasala makambo na ye mpo ndenge mama alobi abi bana baza na vie na bango bana baza na vie na bango bana mpe bakokola bakende créer vie na bango mais yo en même temps ozosacrifie yo mpe vie quelque part ozovivre mpe vie moko reste oyo okoma na suka vie na okomi kotala se ozoregrete obi I could have been I could have done I didn't do it parce que na mitiaki na relation moko babizarre 30 ans vraiment maman eza belé na comprendre te vraiment monsieur na comprendre te merci
I want to come to you in a minute, yeah. But Trésor, can you talk? We spoke about domestic violence, and Mum she's been courageous enough to speak about her experience. But can you explain what about domestic violence from a male perspective?
Thank you. That's where I was trying to come from. Fallait tous à papa mokwa mais na représenter bango. Listen, tous na to. Omoni ya ba mama. I'm so sorry, mama, you had to go through that. Mais naza na pasi mingi ya ba papa belé. Parce que ya ba papa ko déjà raté que non, oh violence, ba beta ke sili, mais ba papa belé bazo kufa. Ba papa ebele to kundi bango eza cause ya ba mama emotion ba abuse ba papa. They are abuse na ba degré nyonso mutu akoki te asali stroke pum kalate ona loba akomi boy so na loba ki akomi boy la ici que strong ba papa na biso bazo souffrir mibali pe bazo souffrir ba jeune garçon pe bazo souffrir baza abused by même ba sisters na biso ba jeune ba maman bazo abuse et comme on attend mon maman on dit al baine papa akomo sala papa banko na ko makasi na ndao
bon bazo sala yo ko faute ya nani mais zela na papa
te mama na fanda ki calme na yoki yo pasi na yo na ningi pe oyo ka pasi ya ba papa
amen na
toza batu tobota makape toyoka kape pasi nga nafanda ekalme nafanda ekalme c'est normal. Je trouve ça normal pas bassi parce que moi ça mon mobile est bendé. D'ailleurs dans le mobile alors à silverback. On dit silverback.
Mais c'est ça les gars.
On est des yo kasi gorille na kobela te abela pa kufa.
On abela kufa. Abela kufa.
Stop interrupting.
Mais ça les loko moko. C'est loko moko moi ça ko sala mobile ça pour ça attaquer physiquement te. Kaka na pamba. Pum, komi mutu. Et ça ba biloko mususu oyo sala mobali. boyebaki eza unacceptable kodimine mobali koloba na mobali ndeti napesa bino eloko oyo so ozoloba na mobali so olobi yango parce que nazoloba yango ki yo olobeli yango mobali oza motema mabe eza eloko wana nalobi te
otikaloba na olobi te mama mokrandie mama
nazobakisa
it's taking time, he's making his longer and then making
te
people
nalobi yango
complain.
te excusez ngai boza na tolérance ya boyoka nga nayoki mama boyokeli bamawa mais boyokeli biso bapapa mawa ozobaki nazokende molai nayoki molai te
azokomisa yango molai parce que ye azobakisa
aza mwa mobali nazosentir
nalobi napesi neti exemple ya liloba moko boye papa nyonso akokaka te naoza short po time eloko nini ya malonga yo oza nango zela soki oza mutu soki bino bolingi toyoka bino mpe boyoka biso ozomprendre eza eloko mosusu neti elobi mama alobaki tosaki na émission moko boye mama alobaki ke papa kuta yebi te ke aza na posa lipstick peut-être papa wana kuta yebi na yebi te ke ye mutu façon ba lipstick abi kutu lipstick so eza ndenge nini te mama nazoloba te mama te kasi tolobi te ayebi te so okokondane ignorance ya mutu te ignorance ya mutu okoboma mutu mpona ayebi eloko te c'est normal mutu ayebi eloko te lakisa ye ke ezalaka bongo nga nazoloba na bino ke tant ozoloba na mobali ke oza eloko te eloko malonga na monaka pa na yo te obomi ye obomi complètement par exemple musu bazalaka afandi boye soit azobana mobali anakuta leki yo zela te tozokende ba abuse te
I'm supporting you.
Thank you mama.
I said it goes under psychological and emotional abuse.
O abuse ye olobi iloko nini malonga yo salela ngai omona mutami boma nzoto na neti lobi 30 ans moboye mutoma boma nzoto pona yo ata reconnaissance omona mobala luka ata reconnaissance baki papa soki papa
after 30 years of that she should still
no, I'm not talking about the abuse. I'm not talking about abuse. I'm talking about the relationship. Mobile luka omonita mobali apesaka c'est-à-dire ata mbongo ata eloko nyonso alisengaka na mwasi azongi c'est lo grave alisengaka reconnaissance base bele baza benga na ebite soki ezaka pe kote ya solo bi balobaka eza ya solo ke mama bobila de bayibisa mobuto eloko nyonso sayela ngai that explains things o esala biso passe toke wana bambasi ebele na poto awa oyebi ba soko koti prison lelo surtout na prison ya nani ya Pentoville okomona tala mibali batonda kuna nini o viol bazolela kuna nini mwasa kosela ki mama mwasa prometaka zela te oh mama zela na ebisa yo te mwasa promettre yeke yo na kotso prison vous comprenez a joué rôle là qui bon moi si ba se retrouver na mobali na mbeto ta ici na tongo na ngoka kawana ye wana ki na police alobi ke ba rape et ça ba ka o eze belé ba tu ba 10 ans 7 ans 8 ans de prison muninga olingi ete pourquoi ko bengele police soko lingi ete pourquoi on bengue les polices pourquoi on lingo baby ça c'est la maman dans ça dans ça deuxième point on bengue la police pour ani pour la nino bengue les polices au mona ozotia muninga record ne beba à cause akutu musala pété après et si on bien ebe tozolo bana ba innocent nazolo bana bato bazosala oyo bazosala ngo bazo mériter yango nazolo baba innocent je parle des innocents bato yo asali moi si ma bête moi si azosala ma bé tozo ba abusing muninga
abusing the man
ozo comprendre obengi muninga police pona olingi ete soit okoma na moi chérie na omo boye peut-être WhatsApp na bani de comment nango allez on crée muninga incompréhension je préfère yebisa bima pesa temps pour ça les négociations ya souka Christian ya souka mon frère oui mais c'est le mot Christian peut-être bino bozo mona ngoka ka ezaka pété pour na oloba abuse oui puis que ça ba vie belonga na yebi ba fana na ba salo bo finga ka bango bo seka bango botala bango no tata na lexaka ta na katia salon boyebi te bato wana so ofandi pembeni na bango ozo misusu kutu so opusani pembeni na ozoke solo ya moto asokoli te ozompa parce que akoma kolala na bus hein alalaka na bus Christian the pain is there the guy alala na bus atamona na saki moko so akoti na 100 na 25 centre ville a changé boisson qui koto pourquoi parce que moi si a payé ba limite à heure ozonga na ndako a payé 23h heure boy nani boy yasuka bana moi si na mobali ba yokanite na likambo ya relationship bana bazawana égoïsme oyo moi si azanango akomi konyoko na mobali po amona ni fils ke bana na batebele bakufi after balobi akufi after divorce na ye parce que azaki traumatisé stressé tellement trop que akoki komona bana na ye amesana ka na vie akomona ka bana na ye chaque tongo siko mama mobali wana amesana ka na vie moko bamona ka bana na ye à cause ya moi si wana zo pese bana te mobala koti dépression obila na dépression to comment la problème à cœur ou soit ya mutu ba misise katani bien na mutema mutakufi balobi akoka kite parce que bakabona kina moi si
okay no. Okay, so but Gladys when he was talking about when Mum was talking about domestic violence from her perspective I could see quite a lot of emotion being transmitted and being demonstrated. When Trésor was discussing domestic violence from a male perspective, I could see, rolling your eyes and that breathing here. So why was there a difference between one and the other?
I think it's just Trésor's delivery. Her delivery is completely different, and also maybe it's just because it's something that's more personal. I definitely know domestic violence exists amongst men, women abusing men. I know it's a real thing. It happens. But I think I was more sympathetic with Mum also because not that Trésor's points had no value, because this is very rare to see a Congolese mum, from a bit older than us, to say, speak up. Most of the people, especially on Facebook, let's be real, a lot of your mums on Facebook are moving mad.
Yes.
Okay? They are. A lot of people's mums on Facebook are moving mad. A lot of people, especially against, let's just talk about the real thing, Benyel. Okay? I don't know what happened. I don't care what happened in between them two or whatever's happened before. You have no right to lay your hands on anybody or bully anyone in all those types of ways that Trish explained. But there's a lot of our mums, Congolese mums, 100% Congolese mums are saying she's stupid for speaking out. Yeah. She's stupid for leaving her marriage. That she will suffer, that she will pay the consequences later. What, should she have died? Yeah. That's what in our community, it's a big taboo, like Frank said, to leave a marriage. Listen, it's not that deep. Like, you need to being married is great, but even for those religious people, Paul says you don't have to be married. You can be happy by yourself. And even if you leave, so what? You can remarry. I just don't think you should stay in a relationship. Oh, kanga mutema, kanga libala, salabwe. Oh, kufa! Feba kundi yo mutu wana pe azu abali mutu mususu. Aboti pe na yobana na obatika li ba souffrir.
Okay, so what can you say to them? What can you say to women as well who are abusing men? Because someone actually said, Chris, you can physically abuse someone, which is terrible.
Which is physical.
But there are certain abuse happening internal to man, like women women do not know the power they have in their tongue, and how many guys are dying internally. What message do you have to other girls your age or similar in your generation that's abusing and that's destroying men internally?
Just think, if you don't know that you're doing it, now we're educating you, just stop. It's not right to bully anyone in any type of way. It's not right to make anyone feel any less of a human in any type of way. So it's unacceptable, whether it's a man or woman. It just needs to stop. We need to educate and speak to people. When we see these behaviors amongst ourselves, ladies, if we see our girl doing something like that, we need to call out these behaviors. So many of us are so busy backing our friends on their bad, negative behaviors that we don't realize that we're allowing them to harm other people. And sometimes if you don't speak up, you're also an abuser. You're taking part. So we need to speak up.
agree.
Okay, Trish, you've got some additional facts you want to show us.
Okay, just before I get into the facts, I wanted to mention when we talked about the Peniel stuff, and we had a conversation on our Solo Labia Instagram, and we got lots of feedback, and some of them were quite concerning because it really showed how domestic violence abuse is kind of like transformed and is proper integrated into our culture. Because I think there was someone who mentioned that they were a victim themselves, but then they seemed really angry at Peniel, and I think they came from a perspective of she didn't protect her child's father's image because she shouldn't want her child to hear everything that she said out loud. And so I was thinking, what exactly are you protecting? And that's not the victim's job to protect the image of the abuser to the child, because the child was there as he did it. You know, he didn't protect the child. And also I think when sometimes we focus so much on protecting the abuser that we forget there's an extra victim there. We often don't really talk about the kids and how they're affected by it, and then we watch our kids grow up and be messed up, and we're like, oh, my violence one are this stabbing each other. Where did they learn it from? Why are they not learning in school? Why are they not concentrating? Which would bring me to a few facts about domestic violence in children. This is UK based. It's really hard to get Congolese one because people are not encouraged to report, so the stats won't be correct anyway. So it says 1 in 7 children will have lived with domestic violence at some point in their childhood. And this one is the one that really got me shocked. It says 2 out of 3 non-natural death in children happens in a home of domestic violence.
2 out of 3.
2 out of 3. So these are kids who have died. This is like, it's not natural death. Yeah, kids have either accidentally killed or purposely murdered. 2 out of 3 of them have come from domestic violence. You know, this is a big thing, and this is not the things we talk about. So when you tell someone to protect their abuser from the child, what you are saying is keep quiet until one day they kill your child or they kill you.
Yeah. Now, thank you for sharing that with me. Diamond, so what can you add to this topic?
What I just want to add is a little bit on what Mom said about staying in an abusive relationship.
Yeah.
You know, having studied criminology, it is very true that a lot of kids that later in life progress into becoming criminals themselves, becoming rapists, murderers, arsonists, a lot of them do come from a domestic violence background. So, is that bien? Libala is that bien to boite, but I feel like même niveau auto tombola ka libala. Ils appellent même niveau où il faut tomber là, bah jeune fille toi ça bango, pas même car bah jeune fille, d'abord maman pe, toi tombe là bon peut toi ça bango que bah signe de domestic violence est aboyé. Peut-être pour nous yo comme on a que ah on va bêta na bango gâté, mais makamundeti ozana toi ba camarade, ozana toi ko bimate, ozana toi boy, ozana toi boy te ko finga ka ba kitsa oti na niveau moro. Oza kutu sir na yo moko te, confiance na yo moko ezate, wana nyonso ezali pe domestic violence. Donc totika oloba ke o na tika ki pona bana bazo souffrir. Et puis si di ka tek souffrance ta bango si la ka na katanda kote, but when they move on as well, we are raising kids, men and women who can potentially become abusers themselves. And men and women who could become the victims. Because tango mwasi azomona bazobeta mama, ya komona ke eza normal. Ngape ceux qui va komo beta eza normal parce que va beta mama. Mwana mobali pe akomona pe ke eza normal ko beta mwasi. Eza normal ko beta mobali, eza pe normal ko boma. Parce que nini ko kola na bango mona ka ke violence. Alors un mot eza bientôt kanisaka. Puis violence mingi eza te kaka nena baki physical. Au mona ba mama mingi no toucher mom ki na point au trésor alobaki. Ba papa mingi yes baza pe nakata domestic violence, mais parce que c'est quelque chose we don't really speak about, or because we can say it's the percentages of people that are domestic violence abuses is a basi. Donc ceux que l'on parle lobela otomona ba on kola yuma boya boy, mais c'est loko moko eza ya solo. Mibali mingi penza bazande wana nge papa lobi mubali abimi na ndako azo mata na bisa matina bisti boy stop kita zu bisu susuti boy eza normal parce que nakata ndako bazo bis bango mama lamba susute so mama papa akoma donc n'importe quoi nakata ndako. Donc eza bientôt e ba ko knowledge we domestic violence ezali nakata ba mama mais ezali pe nakati ya ba papa. Let's do better. Atandenga koloba obi na ko ba eloko mo moni atandenga koloba sia papa lobi na o sia mama lobi na o sia yo sala papa no memanga awa
All of that is that kind of domestic violence. Is that kind of domestic violence? Ko kitisa. I don't know. Kitisa mutu. Yeah. Tina niveau nini. Let's be careful with our tongue. You know, I don't know the verse, but the Bible says that this tongue is the smallest organ, but it's enough to lit up a whole forest. Forest pe zike tumbi makamyo spend a baby. Kapona ba langage na biso. Toy ba kakoloba. Domestic violence pe na katia bana pe zalaka.
Yes.
Ozo comprendre. Exactly comme maman na papa. Biso pe ba maman pe amsu to sa domestic violence. Et pas ba bana na biso mais to comprendre ngote. Oyo ki zengi. Zoba. Embesi. Oyebite. Oyebi boy. Wana ngara na boya kango. Ngana za mona nga 6 ans. Tango bando ko bika boys bata boisterous. Mona ba mama mususu mona za mobulu sans effet. A mobulu te. Parce que I'm not going to let your words curse my child. Ozo comprendre. Donc faut to be careful na maloba na biso na kata bana. Ozo cha mona so much negative pressure mona ke na class akomi ko beta bata. Azo ko rotanga te. Donc, let's think a little bit. Let's raise kings and queens, yeah?
Avant que napesa yo. Mais Diamant, n'évitez pensa ce qui maman je me conseille que le monde maman na yo. Faut que na
les chips.
Non, c'est formidable.
Just before we move on from that, can I just mention the effects of domestic violence on children? Because you went on to that. So the effects are younger children become anxious, complain of tummy ache, wet the bed, may struggle with sleep. It's a sign of trauma. May struggle with sleep, behave much younger than they are. Older children, boys in particular, express distress outwardly, for example, become aggressive and disobedient, use violence to solve problems or copy behavior they see within family, use alcohol or drugs to block disturbing experiences. Girls keep the stress in, become anxious/depressed. Girls think low of themselves, likely to overdose, more likely to choose an abusive partner for themselves. And also it says children dealing with domestic violence abuse often do badly at school because frightening experiences at home make it difficult to concentrate. They also might refuse to go to school due to fear about being worried about the parent who is the victim.
Wow.
That's real.
That's why papa trésor na ansa yoka ndenge olobaki mibali mingi basi bazolinga kopesa bana te bazomona bana na bango te yango bakomovanda na banganda wana na epsolo moko basi nyoso baza ndenge moko te omoninga malgré mo bapasi wana nyoso eleka moi souffrance eleka na pesa yango na mabuka nzambe mais mutu mususu ozo solola na ye boye te ezala boye na bana ye moko ye abebisi bana baza susu 6 years te o 3 years te baza ba 30 ba 27 21 18 and 14 foko yeba omoni bana o botama bakolela wa baza na experience makasi koleka ba parents na kata na puis ba yeba mingi yo papa olingi omona bana na yo ozoya calmete ozoya na violence olingi obeta olingi osala boy est-ce que mwana kolanda yo
no my child
siko soki mwana zolanda yo te yo koloba nini ke mama pekisi mwana wana this is really a salami pananga
I know
cases like that pananga moko mais eloko nini bandaki kosalama papa ngwaki boya lobi libanda inga boye boye omani bata libanda bayebi vérité te
and you defend them
omoninga yo bimi moi sona za mabi moi sona boye mais oyoki ka koto moko oyoki koto mususu te fo yoka les deux côtés.
Okay. Non, pesa yo certainement. Mais I want to ask Maya, where do you, and I'm going to go to Frank afterwards, yeah? Where do you think domestic violence is evident in every community, yeah? It's not just for Congolese people. But where do you think this knowledge of keeping quiet has come from? Where do you think that it was probably stemmed from slavery? Do you think that the rise of domestic violence was stemmed by certain historical event? Where do you think it's come from?
I think I'll speak culturally and then religiously, those two combined, because
culture, please, I beg.
No, I'll say the two. I'll say both. And the reason why I say both It's because I mean, coming from experience and my perspective of it, hence why I kind of stepped away from Christianity to some extent, and I've stepped away from a lot of cultural stuff to some extent. I like to digest what's going on here. Where can I pick where things are, you know, not fitting in, or at least when I start to follow back on behaviors, it links back to culture and religion. That's for me personally.
Can I ask a question quick? Just on that. Are you saying that certain domestic violence abuse is derived from Christianity?
I'm saying,
What you're trying to think, staying in domestic violence, is that religion sort of allows that?
I'm saying, listen to what I'm saying very carefully.
I
think if you're listening, you've asked me, what is it that keeps us here, right? Listen, I'm saying in the Bible, which is religion, and in culture, those two things are set of rules, right?
Okay.
Set of normalities, right? That's what religion and culture are. Set of rules and normalities in which we follow, whether we say it's coming from God or whether it's coming from man and culture and whatever we like to describe it as. That's what I'm saying. It always comes back to those two things that are set in stone. This is how you should behave. This is the right way of how you should do things. Is that bon ponanga? Ebutara plus one. Mingi soko toni mutu, pourquoi azo sa de loko, azongelaka ou bien Bible, ou bien azongela par parents, ou bien culture na biso. I'm just stating it. That's not Zela. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Whoever Zela na sisa.
And what they say, they hold people accountable for what they do with the Bible.
But that's not my point. That's not my
That's not the
point.
point. Yeah, that's two different points.
That's the point. That's not the point. You can be six people. You can be six people in one room, and you all read the same book. Yeah? You're all going to have different interpretations of how it's going to be. Yeah. My point is, I can ask all of you guys what your interpretation is. Suka na suka, butangaki, the same book. So I'm going to now question the book that you're reading, that everyone's interpretation for some crazy reason is all different for some reason, right? So I'm saying, if we're not going to figure out how to change things, we have to be willing to look at the sources of it. The problem we have and why I'm scared about this topic in our culture is we do not want to question those things. Yeah. Look at how I started this conversation. Urish said, don't go into the Bible. No. And my issue is, therefore,
people always do not hold people accountable for their behavior.
But people can't hold themselves. People can't hold themselves.
A book is not a person.
But the book was written by people.
Accountable.
But the book was
written. Not the one doing the action. People need to be held accountable for their action.
You're right.
Can I finish?
No, listen. This is where I take off my
Wait.
Maya's comment on religion being one of the sources of people using it to commit domestic violence is absurd to me, and I see that in most non-religious people, that they will use either it's the Bible or whatever other books. I don't even like to call the Bible book, but whatever other books to have that as a reason to why people commit domestic violence. There's nowhere in the Bible where it agrees with that, which I already explained. And my main issue is holding people accountable. People do these things because they want to. Nothing in the people pick and choose what they want to do. That's the whole point of having free will. If we all obeyed everything in the Bible, we wouldn't need Jesus to come to die for us in the first place. We're all flawed human beings. So no one even listens or obeys what the Bible says anyway. So why is it that they want to pick and choose and say, oh yeah, people listen to the Bible when it says to abuse others? That makes sense to me. Come on. It is our responsibility to question when in history things are not making sense, especially for us in a society. And I don't see it as me questioning God, because I know that God is my creator, but I'm also very aware of how humanity likes to believe they're God instead, or try to hold godly positions and then try to use that to control society and try to use that to control people. And so for me, if you understood my point really well, what I was trying to get to you at is, do not be afraid to question the things that we are told not to question, especially in our community, especially in our culture, with our history. faut poser les questions. The point I'm saying is, that level, that place where you went to is why we're not going to get the answer to this. Yeah, that's my point. Because you're saying, no wait, listen. If the law has said that black people cannot vote, right?
and we break the law can turn around and be like, the rules are broken, no one's listening. But there is an issue why people are having against that rule that's in place. We are allowed to question things if they're not working. So my questioning has to come back to what I'm saying, religion. And I'm okay to question religion because I understand, regardless of how spirituality sees it, man still played a part in how that thing was put together. Therefore, because we are men and we're human beings, we are allowed to question things because humanity progresses to a place where we have to keep going back. But that's the whole point. I'm coming back to hold
the source.
Right, and my thing is, the reason you're saying hold men accountable, and I am, by saying we need to recheck what this book is saying.
But then what is the book saying that's making you feel that it's in connection to
For
domestic
instance,
violence?
there's certain things that are taught in religion. Stuff like this is the head of the household, right? And therefore rules and authority to some extent is taken from up here, this position. Hence why when I turn around and say stuff like, authority bien parce que so to landeli yango ezo suksa biso na ba problem ya power struggle. Makambo bat news bazolo ba is concerning power struggle in a relationship, power struggle where there is someone with power that abuses somebody else with their idea of power.
What about Tazel's example, when it's the woman that's abusing?
Exactly the same thing. Did you not hear what I said? Power of abuse is authority. Authority doesn't have one person. The issue is authority is apa mobali. That's a lie. The truth is authority is both ways. Trezos made it very clear. Yeah, mais it's true. Trezos made it very clear. Moi si soka lobi na ndenga ebe ko loba mabewa na kobuma mobali. He's absolutely correct. Same things I'll say to my brothers and my sons. Don't play with a woman, especially if she speaks negatively on you. You have to be able to teach people that both people have power and they can abuse the power. You see, the problem is you don't want to take that someone's power. You want to compare powers. That's what problem is. But you've
taken that verse out of context in order. You've taken the but no, because if the Bible says that the man is the head of the house as Christ is the head of the church, yeah, Christ died for the church, yeah. So now you cannot now use that verse as a reason to say I need to review what the book says with regards to domestic violence.
What the question you asked me was, what is going wrong? I've said, I have found the source of where it begins, where everyone keeps going wrong. We can't question the source of it if so many people are doing it wrong. We have to question, if it's our understanding, why are we all misunderstanding the concept of authority? It's because it is what it is. What it is that this is where I am, this is where we are. That in the reality of living it, we are having a problem because the reality of it and what's written on the book isn't the same thing.
Okay.
I understand where she's coming from because if you really look in a lot of cases in our community, when there is domestic violence, again, like the point that she made, that a lot of men will then turn around and say that I have power or I have authority over you. So I do understand where she's coming from. And also with the cultural background, again, I understand where she's coming from because it's like men have been given so much power in marriages, in relationships, that it almost kind of diminishes whatever a woman thinks. So I don't think it's fair to blame the Bible or culture solely on the acts that a person will choose to do themselves because they chose to do that. That's their choice. But I do understand, however, where she is coming from because a lot of people do say, no, don't try to blame the Bible and the culture because of your buzoba. Or sali buzoba, own it, take accountability, own your stuff and move on. Don't blame the Bible for it.
Maya is correct in terms of the comment she made about religion, people using religion to keep people in an abusive relationship. Like, there's a lot of people that use quotes from the Bible. For example, when they say, a wife, you have to submit to your man. Some people use that to so explain to the wife, listen, if I've done you wrong, it's because you wasn't submitting to me. You know, you need to submit. That's why I did that, to make you submit, which I think is wrong. Also, in terms of when we get married in church, for example, they say for better and for worse. So a guy might end up beating up the wife, and then she will tell her, when we married, we said it was for better and for worse, and now it's the worst. You know, you have to ride it out. So to that extent, I think she's correct. It influences a lot of people to stay in an abusive relationship because there's a lot of people that I'm not saying religion exactly, but I say the people that use it to manipulate people to stay in that type of a relationship.
Does the Bible, I wouldn't say Just in answer to her, yeah, but I don't want to.
It's simple as this. People want to use the words to do whatever they want to suit their needs, to suit their lives, to suit their purposes. So even if you don't read the Bible, whatever, or the Bible has all of this, the Bible is simple, ABC. Christianity does not at all, in any shape or form, if all Christians I've encountered say or accept domestic abuse in any kind of way is acceptable. If you follow anything or anyone, and people here will disagree with me because we've gone back and forth 100 times, Jesus represents one thing and one thing only is love. Jesus doesn't care about everything else that the rest of the people do. Jesus will tell you to simply love. And if you love someone, you're not going to talk down to them. If you love someone, you're not going to hit them. If you love someone, you will not steal from them. If you love someone, you will not hurt them in any kind of way. So if you've read something and that something is telling you to abuse someone, you need to go back within yourself and think, what the hell is wrong with you? Because why would someone that says, I love you, and that someone, the God that so created you, would want you to harm another person they created? God wants me to believe me and Trésor are brothers. Why would God not tell me, Gladys, in the Bible, you, head of the household, go and hurt Trésor? That doesn't make sense. So people need to hold people accountable. People are the ones using the Bible to abuse others. The Bible does not condemn that. And if you're using the Bible to abuse those things, you will be judged severely, because abusing anyone in any kind of way is not acceptable. And if a religion encourages that, you need to go ahead and drop that religion, because Christianity, I'm speaking for a Christian, we do not condemn abuse in any shape or form. I do not tolerate it. So I don't care. I don't care about anything else.
I agree, and I think that's great. The problem is this. The ideas in which what we call abuse even is in the first place is what we have an issue with. Your statement is perfect. Do not use what Christ is teaching, which is love, to then use and manipulate into your own way of abuse. But abusive people, that's exactly what they do. They take what is meant to be done in a good way and they turn it on its head. So for instance, being the financial person in this household, I'm ngande mutambongo, because I have to look after you. Now I can use this in an abusive way to deprive you of what is needed, and then use the Bible to then be like, no, but the Bible says that I'm here and you're here. That's what I'm saying. There is a problem, and that's why I say I have to keep going back to that book, because every time I'm put in a position where I am devalued or lowered to my husband, he gets to turn around and be like, the Bible says. I turn to my mother and my dad or my pastor and everybody says, hey, wait, the Bible says. I now have to question that, because something has given everyone authority to behave in that way. By the way, I'm not saying that abuse comes from the Bible, or I'm not saying that abuse is what it should be in the Bible, but at the same time, some certain belief systems comes from the Bible that makes women look like they should be controlled or lowered, or that they are a problem. For instance, Adam and Eve, right at the beginning of the Bible, that woman ate the apple. Therefore, we are now in condemnation. We're now in condemnation. For me, that idea already, if I was someone that was writing the Bible, if I had that idea already that women are the issue, the way I'm teaching children will be based on a way of containing them. And that's where I feel like there is a problem, why domestic abuse, not just the violence physically, gets echoed. And then what you have in retaliation is a retaliative woman. And then you have the combat. I was raised in between two parents that were abusing each other. And what a child sees is both sides of it. Mother abusing the father in her words, father using what he knows, which is his hands. And therefore you're both in a situation where you're seeing two sides. Well, what the Bible tells you, you're gods on earth. Imagine your gods on earth fighting. That is just the scariest thing you could experience. But it happens because they're being taught something wrong.
I agree with the point Maya was trying to make in terms of people do use religion and tradition to contribute to their bad behavior, and that includes domestic violence. I often find that personally for me, it's that question with, did God make men or did men make God? I find that a lot of people tend to create their own rules, so they make their own gods, so they can translate the Bible in a way that's beneficial for them to abuse the power. So yeah, we do have to look at that, and do have to look at how people use religion to sort of abuse others. It's not something we can ignore.
I think Maya, in some way, she's right about what she says about the way people interpret the Bible or religious books. For example, when we look at the Muslim, the Quran, it allows men to have 6 wives. That's abuse to a certain extent. cause déjà mobile moko ba appeler permission aux anasi basi to dans la bible là bozo que roba la wala là ba pasteur to religion c'est sabino que for better and for worse.
That's not in the Bible.
But
That's
it's the religion. It is religion. It is religion. When you go do but when you go do religious mariage, sabino for better and for worse.
Yeah, they wrote that.
Yeah, voilà, c'est ça bon ça la religion. Là ba sabino déjà bongo. Mi bali msusu ba comment ko petit gens auto ba tu musu ba moi gens la relation pour so rabi asali moi si mabe aoka yebise maman to balana ki pour les meilleurs et pour les pires na betio boy eza moi pire mais bête goya non seulement pour la boule nini God. So people use by interpreter by blowing na babo to the own advantage.
So people accountable.
Yeah,
I like
okay,
that.
Exactly. But religion is the one that's giving them. Nipo arozung sa mwasi na Bible.
Okay, so
la Bible c'est maman.
The language can be manipulated.
Oh, but c'est la solo bate.
I'm gonna give you both chance to answer him. Yeah, go on finish.
Donc. But Babylon quoi il faut on dit que quelque part et ça quand on a nité et ça na makambu ebelé même pas pasteur ebelé aujourd'hui bah comment utiliser ba Bible wana pour nous manipuler basi.
Okay. Okay.
Go on.
Avana kinyia. You talking like kuna avana kinyia.
I'm not here to be distracted. So domestic.
Na ngolo bate. O bela ba to kota siko na masolo. Ko kende pe to kota. Mais eza ba biloko belenga pe na addition loko moko boya ye place moko boya. Ablem ba ma vezo ba pesa accès na ba favors. Mais na ba favors sou pe boya ba pesa accès et pas ba mama. Mais azo na yete azo bwana. Wala pesa sorte domestic violence parce que azo deprive mwana wana na love o you mwana zaina ngo posa po kola in a healthy way parce que tout ça za mwa mobali azala posa mo papa azala engaging na kati ya vina. So papa azate mwana akokola na mo ba defo so mo luka favor. Donc to blame kaka ba mama te netu ndeko na ngata so alinga pe ko beta mama trop place wana il faut ko meka un peu ko tala pe ba parents bele ba jeune surtout ba congolais ba jeune bele ba congolais bozo botisa bana ba mais bozo landela bana na binote. Donc ceux qui bozo na ba botisi honnête ba botisi mama yo fongoli nzelo bina papa ko kabwani naye. O sengeta ya ka pe ko tala bana non mais yo tikela ndela ya ko tala bana te so batunye kuna libanda ote apimela nga bana ba ye mutu azoya ko tala bana te o bota bana ba loko zo bota bana ba ba ke ba DNA na bino ba ADN ezo tambola na nzela so ADN na komi voyou akomi ko boma ba tu ba ko na responsabilité.
Voilà, you had some facts and we're going to have to touch on what they said earlier on.
I just wanted to go back to the point that Maya was making. I think what Maya was saying is really important because it might not necessarily be saying that it's the Bible's fault, but there is a language in the Bible that people can manipulate to do the wrong things that they do.
Exactly.
Yes, absolutely, because there's people doing the abuse. The Bible isn't beating up women. It's evidently the people. Like, we're holding them accountable, but we're saying that where are these sources coming from? Because everyone has a source for the things they do. And if it's commonly coming back to that thing, we do have to look at it and say, is it this that's the problem or is it the person that's the problem? And that's the conversation we're having now. For example, in domestic violence abuse, in terms of possible signs in women, it said women try to hide injuries or minimize impact. Injuries inconsistent with explanation. Woman is submissive or reluctant to speak in front of partner. Self-blame, personality changes, jumpy or nervous, lack of money, lack of independent communication. When we can see signs like that, but then the word submissive is constantly thrown at women on how to be when it comes to a man. What you're doing is you're encouraging one person to be vulnerable to abuse, especially when it's one way. And we need to start acknowledging that. I think Gladys has mentioned this point before. We also have to look at when the Bible was written, what society was like back then, how much rights did the women have back then, because it was written at a certain time and we've developed a lot. We need to start, we need to... No, she wasn't changing, she was being realistic. That's it, that's evolution, that's the reality of things. We have to look at things and say, maybe, because if you look, I don't know submission being used positively in most times. Most times is used as a way to humble someone, to bring them back down, to remind them to go below. So I think we do need to start looking at that conversation and the sources. Also, hold on, the other thing that I wanted to mention when we were talking about psychological abuse, I saw that we recognize it when we were talking about it with men, but in another way, in our previous topic, when someone asked me, if your man told you you can't go clubbing, will you go? And everyone looked at me and I said, everyone wanted me to be like, I will listen, I'll listen.
Yeah.
But when we looked at psychological abuse, it talked about social isolation. No one looked at that for a moment and said, that question isn't normal.
Yeah,
We completely normalized it because it was a woman, because we're expecting submission
No.
from women.
She's right.
Okay.
No, you took it out of
Trésor,
context.
No, I didn't.
You're taking it
I'm
out of
not
context.
the
Okay, Trésor,
Taking it out of
Trésor,
context.
what can you say?
Moi basakana na nzambe te. Nzambe kosakana na ete. Eza na tikala jamais bandanga na botama, na tikala jamais komona ta église mo, ata ba kimbangiste. Hein? Ba tinda batu, ba salaka mabe na banda kuna bango. Ceux qui tolo ba pasteur moko azotinda mutu asala mabe na kati anda kwa eza kaka mutu wana kaka mutu eza problème d'éducation. Don't forget, yeah. Tobo sanate ki ba pasteur mususu bazaka ba miyibi, ba pasteur mususu bazalaka ba professeur, ba pasteur mususu bazaka ba tamakasi, ba pasteur mususu bazaka ba voyou, ba pasteur mususu bazaka ba intellectuel, ba pasteur mususu bazaka ba tambongo, ba komi ko sambela. Mutu na mutu azana background na ya compréhension. Mususu pe bazaka ba rebelle ya l'église. Bazalaka na bango ba pasteur ti. Aïkaka pas, bah comme c'est évangéliste qui a créé une église, a joué ta formation à pasteur. Et ce sont des gens au bas détruits, bah je peux ces images à ma baie, il y a église. Or église, ils ont une formation, on a fouillé église. On a fouillé église, on a collé une église. Une famille n'a pas collé singaïté, église n'a pas collé singaï. On a une église depuis l'âge de 14 ans. Hein? Les gens ont commis papa une église, n'a botti une église, n'a collé une église. Église est jamais qu'on la sala mabe. Église est aidée na business, na établi business et fouté la ngai neni loyer na place na zaka ne bandili. Donc tant que tozolo ba likambo église photo yeba peut-être ba tubasa na expérience ba église à ba place à mabe. Mais église est un rôle munene na vie ya batu. Donc ceux qui tozolo ba to bossa na raté que non tozolo ba biloko moko boye ils a contre même nzambe. Ceux qui gouvernement ont décidé ko tambola na église ensemble. Hein? Attends, on église ensemble. C'est ça parce que baby power. Vous savez que même dans la guerre, ils ont ceux qui mutaza na 4 églises, ba bombarder l'église. Ils ont là que ça. Hein? Et là que ça nani ba ben aussi ils ont là que ça importance église. Pourquoi ba bombarder en côté pour nani ba ebi valeur ya place.
What can you say? What can you say, guys? Trésor, what can you say in regards to what they're saying now? Because it seems as though they, you know.
First of all, Maya, I think you need to go around and do more research. About the religion part, yeah? Money from centuries to centuries, all the governments, Wayom, whatever, they always work with God. That's why when you go to court, yeah, faut gérer devant Bible, Coran, whatever your belief is. Because n'engue gouvernement yebi, religion encourage la violence, religion encourage la bêtise. Ngana tangi Bible, banana banda otanga Bible, banana la Genèse, l'Apocalypse, na moni place moko bazo encourager le mal. Et en plus Bible il balobi ezali bien, mobali azala na mwasi moko. Pona nini? Parce que ezala ba dégâts belé ceux qui mobali azala basi belé. Vous comprenez? Pour mwasi moko déjà ça va problème belé. Tant vous avez pas belé, ils ont plus de problèmes dessus. Vous comprenez? Il y a so na bina ke non côté na cheka moi entre parenthèses on a pour na biso ke non yo ceux qui dans obligé ceux qui ngana za yo so za na mwana na ko conseiller zo mwana na yo tinda na église
nzambe
te zela na lobité na lobi na obligé yo ti na lobi ceux qui za kinga to ba na église n'importe quelle église za la structure bien baza organisée. Oui, bazo te habillé. Attention, parce que na zo ba point et c'est l'église a bien zali. Ba pasteur a bien nzamba tinda ba existaka. To tchaka te ba pasteur belé ba za ya mabe. Ba pasteur ya bien bazara wa balanda principe à Bible. Vous comprenez? Oye bana basine. Vous comprenez? To fungola pe mina ba biloko mso ba basine. Eza le lo mo boye na si bande ko belé ba fani pe bazo tala biso. To mentionner ngote bana ne bandeli. Bana belé. Ba bengsa bango na ba tante na bango na ba grand frère na bango mingi ça ma lisuti ba tante ba grand frère ba grande sœur ba oncle ba sala bango boy ba abusa bango na degré que au moins ki bazana kati ya ndako moko to mingi ça ma lisuti maman na su yebite ba tamba ba ne mingi bana lelo ba koli kolia ba vana bazana ndako moko azana bana bazola la chambre moko mbetu moko mais elateli ya mwana ya ndeko na ye eza différent na oya mwana na ye moko traitement ya mwana ya ndeko na ye eza différent mais baola na mbetu moko même na kolia omona mwana ya ndeko soki asali mabe mwana na ye moso asali mabe bagangeli kana monoko pom yo mwana ozo kosala bote wana mso babani ko modiri ba victime baza so na biso bela ba jeune na génération na biso bela ba jeune ebele oyo ba benga bango ba voyou soko landeli bango mingi ezali par rapport ba tante na bango ba grand frère na bango Christian eza vraiment important le qu'on a oloba parce que ebele ya ba jeune wana lelo ba koma ba parents ozo prendre lelo ba koma ba parents baza na ba 35 ba 40 ans ba koma ba parents eza na kata ça là et donc nana lo ba boy tant to lo ba domestic violence ou bien abuse eza na ba partie mususu op mususu photo lobela hein batwana bazana eza kola batu balobela bango te mais lelo so bozo mona bana biso bazo stab bango libanda boy so olandeli bi omona mama na bango ba abusa ka epatante ka ba abusa ki azana trauma wana bana misusu eza kola ba bengisi na poto eza na ngana bi fi moko alobi na nga pourquoi ba parents na nga ba tinda ki ngana na poto
That's painful, man.
You understand maybe personally
and you know what and on top of that as well there's been a lot of cases in the UK.
Sorry, Christian. Kobenga mwana ndoki.
That's what I was going to say. Yeah.
Kobenga mwana ndoki.
Yeah.
Ebele na biso babenga biso bandoki. Pona nini? Osali no loko moko mabete, osali ka acte moko boy. Mama se pelite betante se pelite. Abengi yo mwana ndoki. Ko maudire mwana, ko bring down self-esteem. Yeah.
There's a lot of things that happens in the domestic violence, and there's also statistics that shows. I think you're going to read one out, which is
because we often I think a lot of women ask Mama like, what took you so long? Like there was a lot of questions around how long she took to leave.
Yeah.
I just want to point out that domestic violence victims are more likely to die when they attempt to leave the situation. So often we think, why didn't you leave? Why didn't you leave? There's a lot of threat there. First of all, they are genuinely scared for their lives. A lot of them are threatened with stuff like, well, if you leave, I'll kill the kids. And that's another thing that we don't talk about. The kids are often quite threatened to the mum. It might not be something that the victims repeat, but that's something that's always known. And I think that a while back, I think when I first came to the country, there was a case where it was a Congolese case where the men burned himself and the children in the car, and the mum really. And then I think when you hear about these things, it scares the women that have gone through it because you know how violent the men could be. So when we often ask why didn't she leave, what took her so long, it's because they're more likely to die when they attempt to leave.
But Mama, we'll have some time to speak in the interviews, but listen guys, domestic violence is an issue that is affecting a lot of people, and that's why here at Salola BM we've decided to give this particular show an opportunity to tell somebody that's out there, if you're going through domestic violence, if you're going through this pain, you know what, you have the opportunity. There's the links that we're going to put on the description area. There's help numbers. Call them, contact them, because you know we are crying, we are fighting for you as well. So that was a topic on domestic violence. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know what we can do as a community to stop this langage kanga motema. What we can do as a community to help our young people, because you know what, today's knife crime is possibly derived from yesterday's domestic violence. My name is Christian Bless. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.